How to add a video on Wix website. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a video on your Wix website. So first, just head over to your Wix website and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply select any of your site which you have already created and just click on this select and edit button over here. Once you select on that button, you should be heading over to your interface, that is Wix homepage, and you can simply tap on this plus icon at the left navigation bar and simply head over to this search bar over here, as you can see, which is located over here, and simply searching for any videos. You can click on any one of these. So most of you guys can click on this singular video rather than multiple videos. So just tap on any singular video which you like to set up on your website. So I will simply tap on this one over here, and you can basically drag and drop over here and resize it as well according to your choice. So another thing what you can also do is when you click on this change video button over here, you can easily upload a video from your device, your own device as well, or you can also download or upload it from any of the videos including YouTube, Vimeo, other websites, other social medias as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.